Okay, so we are hosting a last-minute reunion, college reunion for Henry. And this is what we have prepared. So we bought a goat. And this is what we came up with. Goat caldereta. We also have boridibod. We've got some grilled bangus. So thank you to our master chef, Manang Jovelin from Cyprus. And also we have, ano to, kilawin. Yeah, we have goat kilawin. Uy, parang ang sarap nung latik. And we've got two bilao of, ano to, latik. We also ordered some pansit. But it's gonna come later. Ayan, so this is a very last minute reunion that we are hosting. Salamat sa aming cooking crew na willing na magluto. Okay, meron ding inasimang sinampalukang kambing. And the other one is, ay, ang init pa. Also, pinapaitang kambing. Yan.
Sinampalukan yung kuya.
And this one is sinampalukan. Yan, marami na yan. Ay, ukis. Sige, ramanam ka raw.
Starting na po yan.
Mga nabasita talaga maulaw ako. Ano, masarap? Okay, tikman mo yung isa. Oh. Approve daw, approve. Oh, yung isa. O sige, tikman mo. Approve.
Approve na yan. Ikalang sa kanya para mainit. Dapat may